everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, the condolences messages are pouring in for the Biyela family. Twin sisters Owami and Olwe to Siko are in mourning following the tragic passing of one of the Biyela twins, THABANI Biyela. Daily Sun report that THABANI, who appeared in Twice as Bold, was allegedly gunned down on Tuesday the 9th of August 2022. The Siko twins shared the shocking information on their Facebook page. THABANI's twin brother Sakile confirmed the news that his brother is normal. He said, "I can confirm that my twin brother is normal. It happened today," meaning it happened on the 9th of August 2022. "Unfortunately, I am not in a position to disclose any information right now and would like some privacy as a family." Olwetu added, "We were informed of THABANI's passing by a close family member. We are saddened by this and we are still trying to digest it. We were planning so many things with the Biyela twins. We're going to do a music video with them for their song Imali, for instance. We were also hoping to include them in an upcoming season of Twice as Bold, but now that will be impossible." The Biyela twins guys gained popularity after they appeared in the first season of Twice as Bold. Guys, that was the news. Yeah, it's bad news indeed, guys. May the Lord comfort the family, guys. Bye.